Hello quilters, Marianne Fontana, Fontana Originals, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm an award-winning quilt artist. I've won many blue ribbons for my pictorial art quilts and thread painting. I'm an AccuQuilt educator and a guru. I do pattern design for myself for Quilts of Valor and for AccuQuilt and some of the publications like American Quilter and Love of Quilting. I hope to see you all at the upcoming Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza to be held in Oaks, Pennsylvania in September. Not only will I have a special exhibit showing many of my award-winning quilts and my thread painting, I am also going to be teaching a class to show you what my techniques are and how thread painting can enhance your quilting. Behind me are some of the panels. Our panels, they're fat quarters. It is a design that I have created. It's an original photograph that I've taken and printed on cotton. And it is a fat quarter. And you will be learning how color plays a role in how you thread paint, what colors to choose, what stitches to use, by using the panel that I'm providing, along with 6 of wonderful 100% Egyptian cotton thread, 200 meters long, that will be included because the right color is very important when you're thread painting. So join me at the Pennsylvania Quilt Extravaganza this September. I will be teaching the class on Thursday, September 17th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's a full day class. You're going to get so much information, and when you are done, you'll be walking away with a quilted panel that no one else will have. You will learn the techniques you need to do it. All you need to do is show up, bring your sewing machine. The complete list of all of the supplies needed are on the website. To subscribe, you must go to quiltfest.com. That's QUILTFEST.com. And when you get there, go to Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza page. You can't miss it. It's going to be right there in the front. And then go to workshops by instructor and ask for me, Marianne Fontana. The class is PA023, and that is thread painting. I hope you will join me because you're going to learn a lot about my techniques and how it's really very easy to create masterpieces using thread.